Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm gonna show you some work from home jobs that you can do right now and you do not need to have any kind of experience. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you some work from home jobs that you can start doing right now without any kind of experience. You need to put the hours if you want to make money online. So if you're looking for a more passive way to make money online, making money while you travel, while you are enjoying, the time with your loved ones, even while you sleep, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. It's my number one recommendation to make money online. So now let's jump into my computer. Okay, the very first way in which you can make money right now, and you don't need to have any kind of experience, okay? You can do this from your smartphone or you can do this from your computer. It's being a moderator, okay? This is something that you can do worldwide, and you can access the website called modsquad.com. Modsquad.com. You can be a moderator. So basically, you're going to be a freelancer, so you are not going to have any kind of schedule. You can work in your hours, you can work in your terms, and you're going to be checking, the communities, the different communities. That's going to be your job. You're going to make sure that there is no fake news, okay? You're going to control the user experience. You're going to also be getting knowledge. And this is something that it doesn't matter if you're a student or if you're retired, you can start doing, okay? So here are some industries that you're going to be taking care of. It can be e-commerce, gaming, technology, entertainment, kids, even things about the government, mobile, sports, and education. So here on modsquad.com, you're gonna take care of the fake news, you're gonna take care of the community. So if someone puts something kind of weird on a forum or on a Facebook page, you are gonna take care of that. Remember that this is something that you're gonna be doing in your own terms. Another website that you can use basically to do the same, it's crispthinking.com. Crisp like here, thinking.com all together. So it says like social media, it's being weaponized. Is your brand safe? This is basically the message for the companies. And again, you are going to take care of them. You're going to take care that their brand is safe, okay? Your job is going to be to find harmful content, fake news, again, something that is really bad. You're going to be a community manager, basically, okay? They do have flexible schedules, but this is right now like a full-time job. This is something that I realized. This is a full-time job. Mod Squad is actually for freelancers, and Crisp Thinking is a full-time job. So you're gonna click here where it says careers. You can work from several places all over around the world. It's going to ask you like where are you located, and it's going to show you the jobs that they do have. Here they do have the career page as well, and they're going to show you how much money they're willing to pay, the schedules and everything. But again, this is something that you can do without any kind of requirement. If you are a person who speaks more than one language, you can go to Gengo. Okay, it's gengo.com, gengo.com, and you can be a translator, okay? You are gonna be a freelancer, okay? You're gonna be a freelancer, and here they have been featured, or some companies that have used their service in the past because they already have over 65,000 customers and over 1 billion words translated, and Trust me, that's a lot. They have been used by Airbnb, Amazon, Ripple, TripAdvisor, Bloomberg, Bitcoin, Sony, YouTube, the New York Times, and others. So they offer high quality translations. That's the solutions that they offer. They say that they do have a really fast turnaround, and you have the possibility, if you speak more than 2 languages, to put your service out there. This is a freelance service, so you are not gonna get hired, and some of the subjects that you're gonna be translating are gonna be related to e-commerce, travel, media, video games, digital marketing, technology, business, and legal stuff. Okay, so for the customer, it's really easy. They're gonna put the order. The app is integrated. They're gonna take care of the customer service. You are not gonna deal with customer service. And here you can have some examples like how much money the customer is gonna be paying. Okay, for the standard, for example, if someone is looking to translate from English to Spanish, they are actually paying 6 cents per word. And it's something really advanced, it's 12 cents per word. If they want to do something more specialized, and here's the category so you can understand, like it's on the 6 cents per word, it's everyday content, internal communication, product description, social media word. 12 cents per word, it's presentations, reports, guide, articles, and you can also be doing subtitles, video scripting. Okay, so if you want to know, like, hey, how much money are they going to be willing to pay, you can choose the language here. Okay, from one language to the other, and you're going to have everything here. Here, I'm going to show you the languages that they do have available. Okay, so it's more than 70. So I'm pretty sure your language is here. And again, if you speak more than one language, okay, if you speak more than one language, you can put your service out there. This is on a freelance base, so you are not gonna have a work schedule. This is something that you can do after school, or if you're retired, you can do it in your spare time, or if you have a regular 9 to 5 and you want to have some extra money, you can be doing this. Okay. Another way in which you can actually make money online is being a transcriptionist. Okay, you can go to the website called transcribeme.com. I think I already mentioned this website on another videos. Okay, because I really like this. If you want to start joining, your adventure as a transcriptionist, you can click here where it says join as transcriptionist. Okay. Basically, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be listening to what other people are saying, and you're going to be typing in. So that's why they are paying per minute. It's 79 cents per minute. It's easy to use for the customers. They do have a high customer satisfaction, right? And some of the things that you might be translating are related to technology, consulting, medical, education, micro research, and translations again. Okay, so you're gonna have some idea of how much money you are gonna earn, and which company they have worked. They have worked already with Oracle, Facebook, and other companies, so they are really, really reliable. Okay, you can be a transcriptionist. Let me show you a little bit more about this. You can become a paid transcriptionist today. You're gonna click here where it says join team. They do have a top rated. You can work from home. You can work from anywhere. You are not going to have a schedule. As I told you, you're going to be listening to audios and videos, and you're going to transcribe them. Okay. You're going to transcribe them. And they say they pay more than anyone. You are going to start earning between $15 to $22 per audio hour. Okay, some of the top monthly earners are making over $2,200. Okay, so this is a great side hustle if you're looking for a way in which you can actually make some extra money online. while you are not having any kind of experience. Okay, remember that all these work opportunities, you don't need to have any kind of work opportunity, and you're gonna get paid through PayPal as well. If you are interested because you have several kind of skills and maybe you want to be a VA, a virtual assistant, you can go to the website called virtualassistantjobs.com. Okay, virtualassistantjobs.com. What they do is, this is like a virtual assistant directory. So you can put out your skills. You can actually find people who are looking, to hire. This is actually an exclusive website in which you are gonna be hired on a full-time or a part-time basis. Okay, this is not something that you're gonna be doing as a freelancer. So if you don't have a job right now and you are looking to make money, okay, here are some of or options that you have if you want to be a BA. Right, here are the latest jobs like data entry, legal office, internet and web support, so you can have an idea of what you are going to be doing. Okay, so it's actually really easy, really simple to be a BA. If you click here on jobs, you're gonna find the listing of the recent jobs that people put, remember that they want you to be their BA. But again, remember, this is something if you want to have or replace your full-time job. Maybe you want to be a mom to stay at home while they're working because you want to spend really good time with your kids and you don't care about, working from home. So here are the job listings. Okay, I don't know what happened here. Okay, it's really easy. It's asking me that I must be registered. Right now, I am not registered. Okay, so here you can see if you want to have a contract, right? If you want to have a flexible schedule, full-time, just micro tasks, online tasks, one-time tasks, and part-time. Okay, so here, so you can have like an idea of what they are actually looking for. Okay, it's taking like forever to load. Sorry about that. It's supposed to be here. Here is it. Okay. So as you can see, this is a worldwide opportunity. So it doesn't matter if you're in India, in you're Bangladesh, and you're in the US. Okay, they are allowing people, to work from anywhere in the world, and they do have really good rates. As you can see here, it's $22 per hour, $18 per hour, $17 per hour, 12 is like 11 maybe, right? $24 to $28 per hour. So they do have really good rates, but they're telling you like, hey, this is gonna be a full-time position. This is gonna be flexible. This is gonna be just a contract. Okay. So you need to understand what are you willing to sacrifice to put the hours on, to make this online. So this is on virtualassistantjobs.com. Another great place if you are looking to, to work online, but this is more like on a freelance basis, is actually on upwork.com. Upwork, they have been there forever. So this is really, really reliable. There is a lot of competition here, but you have more opportunities to make money online. If you're an accountant, if you're an expert in marketing, customer service, doing designs, doing web development, if you want to be a translator, if you have some kind of skills, even if you want to be taking phone calls from your home, right, with all the equipment and everything, you have the opportunity here on upwork.com. That's why I'm suggesting people to use this website. And last but not the least is isoftstone.com. isoftstone.com. They are like an Upwork, but this is more like a Chinese version of Upworks. That's why you see this kind of crazy logo here. So again, if you're looking to have, different opportunities to make money online, these two websites are really, really great. isoftstone.com. So these are different ways in which you can actually make money online without any kind of, of skills, no experience. And if you're looking to make money online while working from home, these are definitely for you. But again, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, more in like a passive income, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And hey, this is it for this video. Keep watching the other video because I'm pretty sure it's going to be having some helpful information for you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I see you on the next video.